So today is the day. BoostRodeo and GForce monkeys are having a little Corolla showdown. The GForce guys, they called us out a couple weeks ago because they knew we were both going to be at this rally race. I am tired. I almost pulled an all-nighter getting the car ready because it just needed a little something extra. Let's get out there, we'll feel the car out a little bit, feel this track out a little bit, and then GForce, you guys are going down. Place your bets. GForce is gonna win, of course, because we got Donnie driving.
Getting ready to do our race, like mapped out our course, and then we see you take off. I'm like, you better not fucking break it.
Oh, the exhaust is hanging.
God, no, I'm gonna go get my jack.
What's going on, Ryan?
How's it going, guys? Good. Josh just keeps breaking our damn car, so. Is that not hot?
Seconds, that's all.
Oh,
redemption lap. Go get him.
Check it out, you guys. All right. Minute 47. Talk about a close call. How was that up there?
Dude, he had a lot tighter line.
Did he?
Yeah, he had a really good line.
It seemed a bit smoother.
Well, we just kind of set it.
I know the course.
1:06, so you upped him on that one. What's stalling?
Dude, I don't know what happened there.
Bog's second is like you missed first.
It kind of died too as I was to check the gas or throw some in it.
Yeah, I brought 5
Because I didn't fill it up since the last race.
Oh, was it?
Minute 6. What did you do, Don?
I don't know.
No! All right, you guys, we have to go a third time.
We do. Second and a half. Minute and just a half second.
Wow, that's insane.
It looks so fast.
So we agreed to best 2 out of 3, so we're gonna go ahead and let Donnie just get his last run out of the way, and we'll just take ours if we need it. So we're all done for the day, and so who won, guys?
I graciously bow to BoostRodeo. I beat them first run by 1.5 seconds. Then they came around, picked up another 2 seconds just about. Couldn't catch back up to his run that one time around. We went best 2 out of 3.
We battled it out, you guys. It was you guys saw the video. It was head to head. Third round was figured out who won. BoostRodeo. How do you guys?
No cars broke today. That's always a win for us.
Tailpipe off.
We both lost our exhaust today. Imagine that.
I don't think this will be the end of this. Boost
I
Rodeo
don't
won.
think so
I
either.
don't think so. I think we're gonna have a rematch.
Guys, so you know the drill. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. Go subscribe to GForce Monkeys channel. We've got a link in the description right below this. And you guys have an awesome day. We'll catch you later.
Peace out.
Out.